we are moving to the last concept of our proportion unit, and that is markup, tax, and discounts. You're going to be able to calculate selling costs of various situations. So markup, tax, and discounts all have to deal with selling cost. How much a company is going to sell their product for, or how much we are going to pay for the product. So you need some vocab. Markup is a percentage increase of the store's cost. This is how they bring in their profit. Stores mark up an item so they can bring in some extra money to pay their bills and bring profit in for the company to keep going. Okay? Discount. It's a percent, it shouldn't be percentage. It's a percent decrease of the selling price. And tax is a percent increase of the selling price. Tax, the companies do not get. That all goes to our government, okay? But markups and discounts directly affect a company. Some formulas you need to know for today. Markup formulas. Markup is equal to whatever their markup percent is times their cost. How much they paid for an item. A discount, to know how much you're getting off of an item, is going to be your discount percent times the ticket price, the selling price, the original amount. I'm going to say original. It's not the store cost, so this is different. This is what a company pays. This is what the company pays to get the item. And the original is what they're selling it to you. Okay? Yes.
Where do they get the stuff from?
Yeah, different retailers all around. You know, possibly Costco. Different manufacturing companies. It all depends. Tax is the percent times again your original. Not the company's cost though. This here, these two originals are aligned with the selling price. The original selling price. The ticketed amount. Okay? All right, so we're going to start dealing with some examples with markup. And you need to know the formula. Our selling price is equal to our store cost plus the markup. So when a company's like, how much should we sell this item for, they have to charge the person what they paid for it. They have to. They have to get their money back. And then they also need to bring in a little bit extra money to make sure that they are able to pay their bills, pay their employees, bring more product in, have money for more product to stock their shelves, and have a little money for profit. Markup again was the percent times their cost. And selling price is the store's cost plus their markup. Now you're going to see me how I organize this, okay? Target buys a CD for $10.99. Their store markup is 35%. What are we going to pay for it? Okay, so what I do here, I figure out what my markup is. That's always my first plan of attack. Figure out my markup. So I say my markup is my markup percent times my store cost. My cost was $10.99. Times it by the 35% increase. So I'm going 10.99 times 0.35 is 385. You have to round right. If you don't round right, you will get it wrong, and your homework. So it looks like this. Money is all about cents.
Except for gas.
You have, right, except for gas.
You can't get
You have to look at that last digit to see that it rounds up to 385. So our cost, our selling price, I'm going to call SP for selling price, is going to be my cost, how much I paid for it, plus my markup, which is $14.84. So I'm going to sell this product in my store for $14.84. It's only about $3 profit. It's not 100% profit, right? It doesn't look like that much, but when you sell lots of different CDs, it does pile up.
Especially on Christmas season.
Yes, American Eagle pays $56 for a jacket. That's their cost. Their company markup for outerwear is 63%. How much are you going to pay for the jacket? So again, I keep the same organization. I say I need to know how much they are marking it up. So markup is the $56 times my markup percent, 0.63, right? So 56 times 0.63, 35.28. My selling price then is going to be how much I paid for it. I need my money back. So I need the $56 plus I need the little bit I want for profit, $35.28. And it looks like my jacket is going to cost me $91.28.
It's an expensive jacket.
No thank you.
Well, I'll pretend it's a winter jacket, but yes, it's expensive.
Let's go.
In another example here. An 89-cent candy bar has a markup of 55%. How much does the store sell the candy bar for? So again, I organize it with what's my markup, what am I going to mark it up by, how much am I going to mark my cost by. Markup is 0.89 times 0.55, which is 50 cents. It says in the calculator 0.4895. Again, I want cents. This 9 tells me, oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. That should be 49 cents. Okay, 40.
You throw away a penny. Rounded the 4 to 8 and then just added the 0. I'm like,
No.
okay.
You look only at the digit you went around to and the digit next to it. Okay, so my selling price is going to be what I paid for it plus my markup Yep. So you are going to pay $1.38 for a candy bar.
38. That better be a good
Okay. All right, tickets to Taylor Swift have a markup. Ticket sales have a markup of 75%. Ticketmaster purchases tickets for $24. How much are the fans going to pay for it? Okay, so we need to figure out our markup is going to be 24 times the 0.75, which is $18. So they're marking up each ticket $18. So their selling price is going to be their cost, what they paid for it, which was 24, plus their markup, 42. This does not seem realistic, does it? That would be like top of the upper level seats.
Taylor Swift is a blood knot.
Her tickets are going to be on sale for about $150 or so dollars. I can guarantee she will sell out fast. The next application is discounts. Discount, we said, was the percent times the original to keep it consistent. We said original amount. Original amount is, again, what you're buying it for, the selling cost, the selling price. And your sale price is going to be whatever the regular price is, take away the discount. $24.99. They're on sale for 35% off. What's the sale price? So I need to find my discount. My discount is equal to how much they are times the percentage I have off. So 104.99 times 0.35 is $36.75. So I'm getting $36.75 off. So then my sale price is going to be the original amount, take away my discount, and that is $68.24. Okay, I want you to do this next one with the iPod. So tax is equal to the percent times original, like we talked about, and our selling price is the original amount plus the cost. The selling price meaning what we're going to pay for it. This is actually what we paid. Okay, what we pay is the original plus the tax. So to find the tax, $2 with 7.25% tax would be 2 times 0.07125, which is 14 cents. Okay, and I'm going to jump. I think you can figure those part out. Again, actually, I'm just going to do it. 42.84 times 0.052. Our tax would be $2.23. Dealing with selling price. Again, I have to figure out my tax. That's the first thing I do. I figure out my tax. So my tax is going to be $23.49 times 0.07125. That is $1.67. Whoops. So what I'm going to pay is the $23.49 plus the $1.67. My grand total is $25.16. The next one's the last one I'm going to do on this video. $35.99 with 3.09% sales tax. Again, I organize it by figuring out my tax first. So I'm going $35.99 times 0.0309. That's $1.11. That's 111. And then my cost is what the ticket price was, the $35.99. Add to it the $1.11. $37.10 is what I'm going to pay.